RemoteVac, hopper loaders from AAE. We don't put a loud, heavy motor on the lid. We have no filter in the chamber. Think about the injuries you can avoid from strains and falls. Imagine a machine that is not covered with dust. The vac is soundproofed. It is so quiet most people can't hear it running. The motors have a very long life. In fact, we have only replaced 3 motors in 6 years. They were running at very high rates. The vacs and filters are at floor level for easy access. You will have reduced downtime. The vac can be switched out without interrupting production for cleaning. Now, let's see how it works. First, you have the vacuum chamber. It is where you draw the material to above your hopper. At the bottom of the chamber is a material switch that starts the cycle when the material falls below the chamber. When the switch calls for material, the vac starts. It runs for a set number of seconds to fill the chamber. When the vac starts, the vacuum causes the flapper valve to close. Once the flapper closes, the material starts to flow from the wand to the chamber. When the vac stops, the flapper opens and the material falls into the hopper. As the material falls, the venturi reverses the airflow in the chamber, blowing off any dust that may have accumulated on the screen. A remote vac can convey up to 1,200 pounds per hour. They are best suited for applications under 800 pounds per hour. Regenerative blowers provide more vacuum. They can convey up to 2,500 pounds per hour at up to 500 feet. Their simple design and heavy-duty motor can provide years of high-capacity service. Now let's look at the vacuum chamber. The vacuum chamber is the heart of your system. Remote vac chambers are constructed of food-grade stainless steel. In fact, a large portion of our sales are to the food industry. That means they are polished on the inside with no lips or ledges. In short, they are virtually self-cleaning. We use a center-weighted flapper. It does not require an adjustment for materials with different densities, and it naturally falls into the correct position. Our material switch features a magnet sensor. We have no mercury in our switch. Our clamp-on system uses heavy clamps and machined flanges. Our seals are rated for over 150 psi. You won't have any dust leaking from our chambers. You can easily rotate our chamber so that the inlet is facing the correct direction. Other chambers have limited orientation and must be disassembled. With our clamp-on material inlet, you will not have to fight with the hose every time you want to take it off. You can replace the inlet and deflector if needed. We use a reinforced stainless steel screen. We reverse the airflow to clean the screen after each cycle. Notice the 1/4-inch stainless steel plate the lid is made of. It has a machined groove to match the injection molded gasket. We offer bag filters for fine particles. Remember to select the filter based on the smallest particle size. The bag filters snap in for quick access. Here is what we don't do. We have no loud, heavy motors on the lid. Our filters are not sandwiched between the lid and the chamber. Filters sandwiched between the lid and chamber are impossible to clean without getting dust all over your machine. We have no seams in our chambers. They are impossible to clean. We never use mercury switches due to environmental and safety concerns. We are the only company to offer remote vacs. Remote vac have extremely long life motors. As I pointed out earlier, we have only replaced 3 motors in the last 6 years. They are very quiet. They have a large self-cleaning filter. They are the only vacuum motor system that offers access at floor level. They are also the only vacuum loader system with HEPA filters as standard. The air enters the vac into a cyclone to help prevent dust from getting to the filter. The dust falls into a large canister. That will reduce the need to empty the canister. A large cone-shaped filter is sucked up when under vacuum. Once the vacuum is released, a weight causes it to invert, dumping the fines into the canister. At the top, you have the long-life motor and the soundproofing. As a result, the sound level is under 76. Review the brochure or contact us to make sure you select the right chamber. There is a separate video on vacuum chamber design that covers details that are important. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email.
Are you ready to learn more about our products? Hi, I'm Tammy with the AAE Customer Service Team. At the bottom of each page, you will find brochures, videos, manuals, and worksheets. If the product you are interested in has a PLC control, you will find a control video that explains our many features and how to navigate the menus. If you would like specific information about your application, a quote, or to place an order, please give us a call at 800-918-5820. You can click on Email Us throughout the website to send us an email. You will be surprised how fast we can answer your questions. In most cases, we can get you a quote in less than 30 minutes. Why wait? You can give us a call now.